looking for a safer and more comfortable way to hunt from above? Choosing the right tree stand can make a big difference in stability, visibility, and overall hunting success. Best ladder tree stand options provide strong support, easy climbing, and a secure elevated position, helping hunters stay comfortable and focused during long hours in the field. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Big Game Ladder Tree Stand. The Big Game Ladder Tree Stand is a reliable option for hunters who want comfort, safety, and durability during long hours in the woods. Built with strong steel construction, this one-person ladder stand offers a stable and secure hunting platform while keeping safety a top priority. It includes a fully body fall arrest safety harness, giving hunters extra confidence when climbing and sitting at height. One of the standout features is the extra-wide 23 by 18-inch FlexTech seat. The ergonomic design is made to match the natural shape of your legs and back, helping reduce fatigue during extended hunting sessions. The spacious foot platform, measuring 23.5 inches wide and 29 inches deep, provides plenty of room for movement and stability. When the seat flips back, hunters gain full access to the platform, which is especially helpful when standing for better visibility or preparing for a shot. The adjustable and removable padded shooting rail also adds versatility. It works well for rifle or crossbow hunting and can easily flip back for bow hunting. With the 350-pound weight capacity and included ratchet and stabilizer straps, this stand delivers dependable performance and comfort in the field. Number 2. Bolderton Ladder Tree Stand. The Bolderton Ladder Tree Stand is designed for hunters who prefer to share the experience with a friend or family member. This sturdy two-person ladder stand combines safety, comfort, and excellent visibility to create an enjoyable hunting setup. One of its most notable features is the ground-level ratcheting technology, which allows you to secure the stand tightly to the tree before climbing. This system improves stability and adds an extra level of safety during setup. Standing about 18 feet above the ground, the stand provides an impressive aerial view that helps hunters spot movement more easily. The elevated position can significantly improve your chances of success, especially in dense wooded areas. Comfort is another strong point of this model. It features a silent, flip-up, tear-tough mesh seat that keeps noise to a minimum while offering a comfortable place to sit during long hunting sessions. The seat also flips up easily to give hunters more room to stand when needed. Additionally, the adjustable stabilizer bar provides flexibility when aiming at a target. Whether hunting with the rifle or bow, the Bolderton Ladder Tree Stand offers a secure and practical solution for two hunters in the field. Number 3. Guide Gear Ladder Tree Stand. The Guide Gear Ladder Tree Stand is a practical and dependable choice for hunters who want a stable and comfortable elevated hunting platform. Built for two people, this stand allows hunters to enjoy the outdoors with a partner while maintaining safety and stability. One of its key features is the Primal Grip Jaw system, which locks the stand securely to the tree from ground level. This design ensures the stand remains steady before you even begin climbing, giving hunters extra peace of mind. Rising approximately 15 feet above the ground, the stand provides a great vantage point for spotting deer or other game while staying concealed. This height strikes a good balance between visibility and safety. The padded foam-cushioned seat is designed to keep hunters comfortable and quiet during long hours of waiting. Since hunting often requires patience, having a comfortable seat can make a big difference in overall experience. Another useful feature is the adjustable flip-down shooting rail. This rail provides a stable rest for accurate shots, especially when using a rifle or crossbow. When not needed. Number 4. Muddy Ladder Tree Stand. The Muddy Ladder Tree Stand is built for hunters who value strength, stability, and plenty of room while hunting from an elevated position. With a strong powder-coated steel construction, this ladder stand is designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions and provide reliable performance season after season. One of the most impressive features of this model is its high weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, making it suitable for larger hunters or those carrying additional gear. The stand reaches approximately 16 feet to the shooting rail, offering a clear view of the surrounding area while maintaining a safe and manageable climbing height. The wide foot platform, measuring 38 inches by 12 inches, gives hunters a stable surface for standing or shifting positions. This extra space can be especially helpful when preparing for a shot or adjusting your stance. Comfort is also a highlight of this ladder stand. It includes a 38-inch wide Flex-Tech seat with padded armrests, providing excellent support during long waits. Additionally, nylon washers are used throughout the design to eliminate metal-on-metal contact, reducing noise that could scare away game. The flip-up shooting rail adds versatility for different hunting styles. Number 5. OL'MAN Ladder Tree Stand. The OL'MAN Ladder Tree Stand is a well-designed option for hunters who want a combination of stability, comfort, and quiet operation. One of the standout features of this stand is the clamp-down jaw system, which securely locks the stand to the tree before you climb. This design greatly improves safety and ensures the stand remains firmly attached while you hunt. The added truss system further enhances stability by applying tension throughout the structure, helping eliminate unwanted squeaks or creaks. Comfort is a major highlight of this model. The spacious textiline seat is designed with closed-cell EVA foam and padded armrests, providing excellent support for long hours in the stand. The breathable fabric helps keep hunters dry and comfortable even during warm weather. Another advantage is the oversized foot platform with a built-in footrest, which gives hunters plenty of room to stretch and reposition for a better shot. The stand also features a flip-up adjustable padded shooting rail. This rail works perfectly as a gun rest, but can easily move out of the way for bow hunting. Overall, it offers versatility, comfort, and dependable performance for serious hunters. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.